Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to complete a card in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to uh, access and open your Trello website, and then you will need to connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have a Trello existent account, you can just connect with your Google or Facebook or Apple accounts. Otherwise, you can create an account and sign up with your email. After that, you will need just to follow these simple steps so we can finish our cards or complete them. So now, after you succeed in connect to your Trello workspace, we need to go to our board so we can change our cards. So either you can click on boards and here we will find the boards list, or you can go to your board sections and click on the board where you want to change your card. So basically, to complete your card, either you can have for example here a to-do task. So this is some to do, and for example we can have finished tasks or completed tasks, and we are going to have this. So basically, when you complete your task or a card, either you can move it by clicking on your card, and you will have this extended view, and we go to move and move it to the same board. We go to complete the task and click move. Or for example, you will have in your card, you will have a checklist, for example, so we can complete it. So tasks or subtasks, and here we will have one, uh, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, when we are going to close our here, it's just as you can see now. If we have a more view of our task, we will find that it is not completed. So let's just have a semi cover like that, and now we are going to see our tasks here. So to complete it, all you need to do is to click on it and check all the lists, and we will have the same effect. So as you can see now, when we are going to quit, we will find that our card is completed. And basically you can complete your tasks or anything by many ways. As I said, either to move it to a completed task area or list, or you can just have some checklists, and you will just check them all. It depends on your organization, and you will have them completed. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.